So if you want to do fender flares on your car, Rocket Bunny kit, whatever, you're gonna need to know how to bolt it on, all right? You don't use self-tapping screws, you don't use bolts and then nuts on the back. There's an easier way and a professional way to do it, and I'm gonna show you right now. So you're gonna need one of these. This is called a riv nut setter. It says it right there. This is called a riv nut, and this is what we're gonna set into the sheet metal. They come in different sizes, but the most popular sizes for kits, usually M5 and M6. So the way these works pretty cool. You take the nut, slide it on the top of the setter right here, and then when you pull the lever down, it'll crush the top right here. So right now I'm pulling the lever, bam, you see that? And that's basically what happens with the nut when you crush it. Here's our hole, it's just big enough for a rivet. It's test fit, there you go. You see, it's really tight. You don't want it loose. If it's loose, you're gonna have to do it again or get a bigger rivet. Now we take our riv nut tool, we're gonna pop this in here. It's on the back right here, you're gonna see how this works. It's gonna start crushing. See that? Once you set the riv nut, you take this guy off. So after you crush it, you can see that it's nice and flush. Before you didn't have any threads on here, now you have a nut that's built into the panel. And all you do is slide your bolt and then bolt your body kit. And this is the proper way to do body kits. You don't use self-tappers because that's ghetto as hell. And this is, you know, just the most professional way to do things.